What's up? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Wish I had a little bit more light in here, but I don't. Okay, so I did another video on the apartment complex, and this isn't quite as bad as the other ones, but it's not really. I mean, they have kids and all that stuff, right? But as far as the oil, grease, it's not really their problem or their fault. It's the parking lots have a lot of oil and grease from cars dripping oil and people walking through them, and this is what happens. So I told them it ain't gonna be new carpet, and it ain't gonna, probably ain't gonna be a great transition as far as good and really soiled, but I'm gonna use the heavy hitter. So I got the Sager's Code Red right here mixed up and ready to go. I went ahead and waited to mix this up, make sure it's hot and effective. So let's see how we can do this, guys. Let's see if I can get some light. Okay, a little bit more light. Yeah, so I got another apartment to today after this. I don't do many apartments, and when I do, I charge for them. So yeah, so not everybody wants to go through with the job when I tell them the quote, but these people were really eager to get it done, and they're willing. All right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. So yeah, already vacuumed, by the way, as you can tell. So this is Sager Sauce Code Red, and it's high pH and really has a great reputation. I don't use it all the time, but I have it for when I need it. Because like I said, I don't do too many apartments and stuff like that, and my pricing kind of weeds out these type of jobs. But every now and then, I'm not, things aren't really busy right now. So like I said, I'm testing my I said this in another video, I'm testing my chemistry, make sure everything's good for when things get busy. This is a reddish stain. I told the customer that I wasn't gonna be able to get that out unless he wanted to pay. They're gonna wait until they move out, but I did let them know they're probably gonna replace the carpet anyway, so. Make sure I get plenty of dwell time on this, and also I have my multi-wash outside, so I'm going to do pre-agitation on it. So the last time I did a carpet in this complex that was like this, I had a different product I was using. I wasn't using the Code Red, and that's basically how I found the Code Red. I was looking for something stronger, and this stuff had a really good reputation. So I'm gonna cross my fingers, hope I can get better results. Make sure my machine gets some good heat too. It really helps when it comes to greasy, oily carpets, because just like when you're washing dishes, right, and you got some oily pots and pans. As soon as you get that hot water on there, it really helps. So if I could time this, or I didn't time, but I mixed up just the right amount, but actually not, because I kind of like to have a little extra in case I want to go back over some areas. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub this. There's a little bit left in there, so I'm gonna keep that to the side. This code red is awesome. And besides that, the product itself, the company, Sager, awesome too. It's some really cool people, man. I mean, I've talked to Mark one time on the phone, and man, really nice guy. And that's one other reason why I like to support certain products. Because, yeah, the product's got to be good. But if the customer service is good too, if there's good people, you know, they're gonna have my business. All right, what do you think, guys? I know the lighting isn't good, but come on now. If I don't get an A+ for this effort, then not just the effort, the results, the customer's going to be really freaking happy. I hope. I'm sure. So I'm going to put the other video down in the link below, to where actually I'll put it as recommended up in the corner, and you can see the other job I did with another chemistry, and it didn't come out quite as good as this, I don't think. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.